how does the art at the Kamyana Mogila contribute to the broader understanding of prehistorical culture in Ukraine and Eastern Europe?
Well, first, that's a very good one. First, Kamyana Mogila is the only large rock art site in Eastern Europe. Yeah, you don't have this kind of rock art sites anywhere except Ural Mountains, which is technically almost Asia. Yeah, and Southern Caucasus, which is technically Asia. And then we used to have some caves in Carpathian Mountains, but some of them felt and some were never found after initial discovery. So this is the only known large rock art location. In terms of knowledge, as it is, rock art is like an ultimate art form for prehistoric things. Yeah, because it is about spending a lot of time in doing cool things that is hard to interpret. And rock art of Kamyana Mogila is very much very helpful in showing, in confirming that our hypothesis about what was important to the people that inhabited Ukrainian steppe are correct or not. The Kamyana Mogila is the reason why we know that late Mesolithic societies of fisher-gatherers there were basically doing the same things they are doing in Danube, like Lipinski settlement, or in Norway, like southwest coast, where the fisher practices collided with double zigzag ornamentation, specific type of assemblages of specific type of rock art forms here and this and that. And as well also, no, that will be the answer for the next question, because I know the next question. So yeah, okay.
You can go on. Yeah, we will skip this one.
Okay. Okay, yeah. So another example that will answer partially this next question is in Neolithic assemblage, where we have these naturalistic depictions of bulls. And the cool thing is that they are very similar to what we have in Eastern Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Western Mongolia, like quite a long distance from Ukraine. And this is because Kamyana Mogila is the only rock art site that has both European and Eurasian steppe rock art contexts. And it collides very well to what is now called a frontier understanding, frontier perception of Ukrainian history, about Ukraine being on the front line between the European civilization forest zone and cool stuff and nomadic Eurasian things. So Kamyana Mogila is a great example of this frontier being the case even in a deep prehistory and being reflected in the worldview of people who inhabited this frontier, both from the West and from the East.